After Perplexity AI offer, Airtel is now offering Adobe Express Premium for free, which is worth 4000 rupees for all of its 360 million Indian users. This subscription will be active for 1 year. And the most important part is you don't need any kind of credit card to activate this offer. The Adobe Express Premium subscription will be available to all Airtel customers, including mobile, Wi-Fi and DTH customers. Customers can avail this offer by logging on to the Airtel Thanks app. So first I'll show you that. So first go to the Play Store or App Store in iPhone and download this Airtel Thanks. So I have this Airtel Thanks. So if it is not there, you download and update it and then open. So once it is loaded, sometimes the banner will automatically show, and if it is not showing, you can go down and see for rewards and OTTs. So click on this rewards and OTTs. So here you can see all the different offers. So last time we have seen Perplexity Pro and now we have this Adobe Premium. So 12 months is the validity. You can click on this and try to see what are the things that it is providing. So you can see 350k plus templates. So you can create different designs, and then 250 AI credits per month, and it has 200 million plus stock photos you can use freely. And there are so many things that you can create with this, like video editing as well as and photo editing, etc. And then click on proceed. Now you can see it is saying that you're about to unlock 12 months of free Adobe Express Premium with Airtel, and it is trying to load everything, and we can see Adobe page. So here you can create a new account or you can try to use a Google account, and select a Google account, and now you can see the Adobe ID, and you can see that you can start activating. You can continue. Now you can see the subscription has been active. So now you can see it is redirecting to Adobe Express. So this is an app that you need. So click on install. So now we can open this Adobe Express and click on continue. And if you can say what is your role, so I can put as work, click on next. Now you can see this is how it looks, and you can see there are so many templates. So these are the templates for different occasions. Like just like you use Canva, we can use this Adobe Premium, where for birthday wishes, any kind of occasions, you can try to create thumbnails, posters, resumes, etc. And there are so many photos, videos and stock videos as well, and design assets you can use. So it can remove your backgrounds from the photos and create some kind of designs, resize the images, WhatsApp statuses, you can generate the QR code, create logos. So many things are possible, and you can also use AI. So you can use this generative AI and you can describe any kind of image that you want to create and it will generate. And these are the different options that are available. And this is how you can claim Adobe Express Premium subscription for free. If you found this video informative, please type helpful and smash that like button. If you wanted to learn IoT from scratch, then you can check out my course from the link in the end screen or from the description. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another interesting video.